In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet for project management. If you're looking for a project management tool that feels familiar, organized, and easy to collaborate in, Smartsheet can be a great option. It combines the structure of a spreadsheet with features designed specifically for planning, tracking, and managing work. The key is to set it up around what your project management process actually needs. So before building anything, take a moment to think through your workflow. Consider how you assign work, how you track deadlines, how progress is reported, and where your team may need more visibility or accountability. Once you understand those needs, start using Smartsheet to organize the core parts of your project. This includes your task list, who owns each task, due dates, timelines, and current status. Keeping all of that in one place makes it much easier to manage moving parts and keep everyone aligned. Smartsheet works especially well when you want a clean spreadsheet style layout but still need project specific functionality. As you build your sheet, make sure the information is consistent and easy to scan, since that will help both you and your team quickly understand what's happening. If your project includes a schedule with multiple phases or time sensitive deliverables, turn on Gantt view. This gives you a visual timeline of the project and helps you see how tasks are spread out over time. It's especially useful for identifying overlaps, timing issues, or delays before they become bigger problems. For teams managing deadlines closely, this view can make planning much clearer. To make your schedule more accurate, add dependencies and predecessors between tasks. This allows Smartsheet to reflect task relationships, so one item can automatically connect to another. It's an important step if your project has work that must happen in a specific order. When those relationships are set up correctly, your timeline becomes more dynamic and easier to maintain. As your project moves forward, use dashboards and reports to monitor progress. Dashboards are helpful for giving a quick visual summary of key information, while reports can help you pull specific updates, task lists, or filtered views for stakeholders and team members. This is a simple way to improve communication without constantly rebuilding updates manually. You can also add automations for reminders and approvals. Automations help reduce manual follow-up by notifying people when something is due or when action is needed. That saves time and keeps the project moving. If you need project tracking that combines collaboration with a spreadsheet style interface, Smartsheet is a strong choice.